this is the game we are going to be playing on Somnia Odyssey for this week. Now, why many people have found this game to be very difficult, I can assure you that it is one of the easiest games to play on Somnia, and I'm going to be showing you how to complete this game, how to play the game and complete the task on Somnia Odyssey. I say it is very easy because all you have to do is to move your avatar around and collect stuff that will give you points and then climb the leaderboard. Remember that in order to pass the task on Somnia Odyssey, you need to get 3 stars, and in order for you to get star, you need to be top 3 in each of the games that you play. If you play a game and you come first, you are going to get 3 points. You can see by the right hand side there that there's a leaderboard for each of the game while playing the game. All you have to do is to move around using your mouse. You can see this is my mouse here. Use it to move around, collect points, and then I will also show you how to kill others and accumulate points as we play the game. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone that you know that are participating on Somnia so that they can learn how to play the game and also claim their Odyssey reward. To get started, please make sure that you access the link directly from Odyssey. You can see that week 4 task, there's only 1 green task that has been released for now. More tasks will be added, so please always check the Odyssey page for you to see the tasks that you need to complete. So for now, the claim 3 stars in the Ball3 arena game is the first green task we need to complete this week. So you need to complete this task in order for you to claim your reward. Now it is time to play the game. When you come here, the first thing you must do is to connect your wallet. Please make sure that you connect the same wallet you use for your Somnia Odyssey and for your Somnia Airdrop. The same wallet, please. Now, once your wallet is connected, then the next thing you should do is to click on check-in. You need to always click on check-in every day as long as you play this game so that you can claim more tickets and more reward. Now, there are daily tasks that are going to be released here that you need to complete to get reward. Check-in will give you 5 balls. You need to be accumulating balls. Play 3 games and also play 5 games. We give you all of this reward you see here. Once you're done with that, before you can play this game, you need to get a game pass. All right, game pass is what gives you access to play the games. And then to get a game pass, just click on this place you see game pass here, and it is going to cost you 0.2 Somi to get a game pass. I've already claimed mine. Just click on this place you see 0.2 Somi, and then you can correct your wallet to be automatically connected, and you'll be required to make the payment. I have already done that, so I'm not going to pay for that again. So you've gotten your game pass, right? The next thing here on this page here, there is ranking. Ranking is where you come to see the leaderboard. All right, so as you play the game, you get stars, then you can climb the leaderboard. Now it's time for us to play the game because we have gotten your game pass. Then you need to click on play. From here, you can use practice to practice how to play the game so that you can learn and also be prepared to play the game. When you click on practice, you can practice with AI, but the amount of people that can play this practice at a time is limited, so you might not be able to play it if there are too much people that are playing with practice at the moment. So you will need to just watch this video. If you watch this video, you will understand how to play the game. When you play the game, there are different things you need to know. You're going to be moving around using your mouse. All right, I'm going to show you how to move around with your mouse. Then you can shoot. Press R on your keyboard to shoot. You can press R on your keyboard to shoot, and then it is not necessary. Then press T to split. You can press T to split your cell into 2 equal halves. The new half will shoot out in the direction of your moves, so you can press T to split. Matter of fact, no need for us to waste much time on this. Let's go and play the game. You need to play under solo because other ones are not available yet. Now remember that on Odyssey, in order for you to claim your Odyssey, you need 3 stars, and in order for you to get star, when you play the game, you are going to be paired with other players, other live players, and then the person that comes first, each round lasts for 4 minutes. At the end of that 4 minutes, the person that comes first gets 3 stars, the person that comes second gets 2 stars, and then the person that comes third gets 1 star. So if you want to pass Odyssey once, just make sure you come first while playing the game. You get 3 stars, but you can play multiple times. For example, you can play once and you get third. If you come third, you get 1 star. Maybe you play again, you come second and you get 2 stars. 2 plus 1, that is 3. You qualify. All right, so basically position 1, 2, 3 are the ones that get reward. 4 to 9 we get only 1 lucky ticket. All right, but you can still accumulate them. Now it's time for us to play. I'm going to click on play to go into the game. On this page here, you get merged with other players. There needs to be 9 players to play the game. So when you get merged, the game can start. And now the game begins. Now, in order for you to play, to move around, tap and drag with your mouse, all right, or your trackpad. You just tap and you drag. The direction you drag your mouse to, it will follow you. Now, your objective right now is to collect all these colors you see here. Now, when you collect these colors, you get points. For each of these colors you collect, you get points. You don't need to press any specific button to collect the colors. You just need to pass over it. As you pass over the colors, you pick it up and you get points. Now, if you look here, on this right hand side here, what you see here is the leaderboard. Number 1, 2, and 3 on this leaderboard will get the reward at the end of the game. Okay, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Those are the people that are going to get the game. Now, these things you see here, these things that looks like that has spikes on each side, they are called the virus. These are the virus. You need to avoid them as much as possible, because if you go over them, it's going to split you into various little pieces, and when you have become so tiny like that, other persons can kill you. All right, and for others to kill you, they just need to hover over you. But your main focus is to collect all these colors you see here. All of these colors you see here, just be hovering over them while you collect the colors. Your rank on the leaderboard at the right hand side here will increase, so you just need to be going over them. And the more of these points you collect, the bigger your character is going to be. Now, if you want to split into 2, you can simply tap T on your keyboard to split into 2, or you can use these 2 buttons here. This T will split your character into 2. You can see I have splitted into 2 now. Then these 2 can actually pick up more of this more of the colors. But be very careful, because when you split into 2, it becomes easier for you to get killed, because when you split into 2, you will reduce. When you split into 2, you will reduce in size. But if you merge together, then your size will also increase. On the leaderboard by the right hand side here, number 1 is already at 1,600 plus. So it's almost impossible to catch up with that person, but you still need to keep going. Just be going around and pick up all these colors. You can also, when you become bigger, you can target others to kill them, because you can see from your score here, after your score, there's kills. My case is actually at 0. You don't need to kill in order for you to come first, second, or third, but killing will give you more points. In order for you to kill, you just need to look for somebody that is very small and hover over them. When you place your avatar over theirs, you might actually kill them and you get more points, but it doesn't always count. All right, so that's why I encourage you to just focus on picking up all of these colors you see here. The more colors you pick up, the more points you get, and the more points you get, the more likely you get your star in highest 2 tries. And remember that your ticket costs 0.2 and it will last for an entire week. I like the model of that. It is not like those ones that each time you want to play, you must pay a certain amount. Okay, this one you just need to pay 0.2 once, and you can play for a whole week. So let us see. This thing is still at in about 20 seconds. This is a timer. Remember that it lasts for 4 minutes. Each gameplay lasts for 4 minutes. So at this rate now, I can conveniently say that I will come second at the end of this particular gameplay, because number 1 is at 1,006. I am at 600, and then number 3 is still at 167. Game ends in 2-1. Game has ended. Now there's a little glitch here on this page. When the game ends like this, it's supposed to calculate and then show you your score and your ranking, and then give you opportunity to claim your points. But most times it just freezes like this, and this is how it will be. If it happens to you, no problem. This is a blockchain, a Web3 game, a blockchain game, and if all of this, your score has already been recorded on the Somnia blockchain. So once it freezes like this, you just need to reload. All right, you just need to reload and your scores will be added to you. So once you reload like that, you click on connect wallet again. It will connect almost immediately. All right, you can see that my star has increased, even though there was no button for me to claim, but my star increased. That's why I said it is a blockchain game. So you just need to do it once or twice. Then you can play the game again. Once you have gotten 3 stars, then you can return to Somnia Odyssey and claim. Now, there are still other things you need to do here. For example, on this lucky box, you can see that anytime you play a game, you are going to get this lucky ticket. You can use this lucky ticket to try out on this lottery. All right, so you can click on each of these boxes here to open the box, and you can get reward. So I don't want to spend my lucky ticket yet. I'll need to keep accumulating them. So if you want to play again, you simply click on play, and remember that as long as you have gotten the game pass for 0.2 Somi, each other play you want to play again is going to be completely free. All right, so you just click on play and you can continue. So now that I have already gotten up to more than 3 tickets, right now it's time for me to go to Somnia Odyssey to claim my reward, and I'll click on verify. This should be completed for me. Completed. So I've successfully completed the Somnia Odyssey task. So this is everything you need to know. If there's any question you have regarding the game, please ask me. Remember that you need to always come back to Somnia Odyssey in order for you to check for new tasks. This is not all of the tasks. This is just some of the tasks. And then as more tasks get added, I'm also going to make more videos to show you how to complete that. If you want to complete this Reach 20 Somi volume on Somnia Mem, I have several videos on Somnia Mem where you can learn how to buy mem coins, then mint an NFT. This ones here will cost you about 5 Somi to complete, but it is not compulsory. You can complete it without, you don't need to complete it to claim your weekly reward. So that is all, guys. If you have any question, please endeavor to always ask me in the comment section. Use ranking here to check your position on the leaderboard. This ranking does not update automatically. It takes time to update. So if you stay a while, always come here to check and claim your reward. If you want to change your name, please click on this icon here on this top right corner here, and then you can click on edit to edit your name and choose whatever name that you want to use. And then this one here is your wallet address, and that is it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share with your friends. Bye for now.